0.4 Step 1 video here. Using technology, our learning target, I will understand how to use technology tools effectively and ethically. There are two parts of how to use technology. Modern technology provides lots of powerful tools that can help you in the classroom, in the workplace, and in your life. In order to fully take advantage of these tools, you do need to understand two main things. How do I effectively use this tool? And the second, how do I ethically use this tool? So we're going to be looking at the difference between effective and ethically. Okay? So let's take a look. First of all, how do I effectively use this tool? Using a tool effectively means you understand how to get it to do what you want. You can use a tool if you only know the basics, but you can get more out of it if you learn more. And it will be more effective the more you understand it, learn it, and use it. So just like a car, if you know how to drive, it's going to get you where you need to go. The better driver you are, the faster you're going to go. If you understand all of the signs, you're going to avoid accidents and get there safely and not crash. If you understand how it works, you can fix it when something goes wrong. So these are all pieces of effectively using a tool. How about ethically? Well, using a tool ethically means you understand your responsibilities when using a tool. You can use it to support yourself without harming yourself or others. So when it comes to driving a car, you're waiting your turn to go through that stop sign. You're obeying the traffic laws so that you don't hurt anyone else, just so you can get where you want to go faster. You're also being smart about pollution and maybe trying to move to a hybrid vehicle or an electric vehicle to avoid all of the gas pollution that's making the climate hotter. And you're probably also going to be looking at the road a little bit more carefully instead of looking at your phone and letting your dog drive. That is not going to help other people. It could potentially harm other people to be on your phone while you're driving. So that's how you use a tool ethically. All right, so how do I effectively use this tool? The basics are, logging in, viewing courses when we're talking about Schoology. Once you get to the intermediate level, you're checking your grades, you're sending messages, and once you get to the expert level, you're uploading audio and video, making your own things that you can send to your teacher. How about ethically? Well, regularly check announcements and deadlines. That's what you're going to do so that you're doing your part in the class. Using materials and resources to aid your learning. And of course, you're not going to submit someone else's work as your own. So these are the things that have to do a little bit more with ethics rather than just being effective. You're doing the right thing and you're not hurting anyone else. Google Docs, let's talk about this one. Basics, creating a new document using simple formatting. Intermediate, inserting images and links, creating a table to organize ideas. Expert level, you're adding footnotes, you're adding bookmarks with quick links, all of those fancy things that you learn after you use it for a while. And as far as ethically, you're reviewing your work and editing to remove errors or incorrect punctuation so that other people can read it easily. You're using appropriate sharing settings. You're not sharing things to everyone, giving them editable access. You're not submitting someone else's work as your own. And if you borrow ideas, you're giving credit to the source by using citations. You're not plagiarizing. Okay, AI tools are new, and that's really why we made this lesson, because AI, artificial intelligence, has been making huge advances recently. The new tools available can be extremely helpful in school and in life if we know how to use them both effectively and ethically. So in the next part of the lesson, we'll look closely at AI tools like ChatGPT. Before that, make sure you finished your packet notes for 0.4 Step 1.